All right, so last time we started setting it up so that we could start adding in the tab section view here. So if we go over to our enum that we created, which is right here, enum tab section, we have a case for each section in the tabs that we want to do, right? And we have the images that are linked to each section, right? So if you're confused on this, just check out the previous video. But now we're going to start building out our tab section view. So, right, let's just minimize this right here. And the first thing we're going to do is basically let's get rid of this boilerplate code there. And we'll start by saying vstack, right? And then inside our V stack, we're going to have a H stack. Because remember, our buttons are going to be horizontal. So from left to right. And then inside our H stack, we're going to have a for each so that we can loop over each section in our tab section. So we'll go down to tab section. You see the E here that's makes you know that this is an enum, so the one we created. And then we'll do dot all cases. And we get this all cases because we go to tab section here. You see that we added the case iterable protocol. I remember we said that this gives it a special ability. Well, right now this is one of the abilities. So we can just iterate over each section, go through each section in a for each loop. And then you're gonna see complaining here, just do comma and then do ID and then do backslash dot self. Now the reason why we have to do this is so that the for each loop can identify each section uniquely. I have a video that kind of describes this. You can check this out on the YouTube. Now, next thing we're going to do is type in section here and then in. So this section will represent each element in our tab section as a loop. So each of these I'll be able to get TikToks, private videos, repos separately. So I can use the images separately. So let's just jump back to tab section view. And if we look at the preview, we'll still not see anything because we're not really adding a view yet, but we're going to start doing that now. So inside the first for each, we're going to start typing in button, and you're going to go down to the one that takes that title key and a system image here, hit enter. And then for this part that wants a title key, hit enter, and then do the parentheses, but just put in an empty string. We don't need anything there. What we need though is the system image. So we're gonna go to where it's a system image, and we're gonna type in section dot image name. Remember we added an image link to each section, and then for the action just hit enter and then delete that portion. Now if we look at our view,